with me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your photos to get rid of, you need to hold one of them and tap on those icons at the top right corner to select multiple. To keep some, click on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon located at the top of Collections section or at the bottom of your Albums Photos. Either way, after tapping on your bin, you need to hit Got It and then move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!